Hello everyone, welcome to Kakao's Hideout. I am Kakao Konemi. For today's video, I'm going to do a 30-day forecast for Libra. So choose which of these stones will represent your 30-day forecast. By the way, this is a general reading. If it doesn't resonate, please do not take the message. And for paid personal readings, check the description box below. Diyan nyo po ako makukontak. Okay? Again, 1, 2, and 3 for your next 30 days. And pause if you need more time. Now let's proceed to number 1. Okay, number 1. If you have chosen this die, for the next 30 days, you will be unburdened by somebody's interferences. Mga bully to, nangingialam, parang nangaasar. Tapos kung ano-anong inuutos, pag hindi nagagawa, naiinis. Tapos pag nire-reprimand mo or sinusuway mo, kala mo kung sino. So parang, for some reason, I'm sensing someone authority figure na mabubuking yung ginagawa nila. Kasi it will come to light. Although natagalan, pero ang maganda, nabuking pa rin. And ma-unburden ka. Kasi parang at last, nabuking na rin sila. Hindi na rin nila ako magagalaw, hindi na rin nila ako mapapakialaman. Parang ganon. Anyway, what do you need to focus on regarding this matter? Yung choices mo, anong gagawin mo pagkatapos? Maybe meron kang gustong punteriyahin na goal. Dati pa, pero hindi matuloy-tuloy kasi ayaw mong malaman nila. Kasi alam mong parang aminado kang isa-sabotage. So parang tawag nito. And while shuffling, lumabas si Death card reversed at saka si Queen of Pentacles reversed. So baka kailangan mo nang pumili among all of the options. Tapos ang dapat mong piliin is yung matagal mo nang gustong gawin pero parang pinipigilan mo lang yung sarili mo kasi natatakot kang malaman nila, isabotage nila, or gayahin nila kasi walang originality ang Page of Wands reversed. And once makapili ka na ng choice na yon, kung alin doon, yung sisimulan mong investment, personal project, or business, try to, tawag nito, for some reason, I'm sensing someone na may utang sa'yo, Queen of Pentacles reversed. Tapos hanggang ngayon hindi pa tapos. So baka gusto mong singilin na muna. At nang makapagsimula ka na, bottom of the deck, ayun, marami pang options na paparating. You just need to stand your ground. Maybe lagi kang sinasabihan dito, bukas na, tsaka na. Oh. Stand your ground, hindi ngayon na. Or come up with a document na may agreement na within this date kailangan bayad ka na. Aminado kang aawayin ka nito pero kailangan mo yung pera para masimulan mo yung gusto mong simulan. Their problem is not your problem kung bakit hindi sila makakabayad. Okay? That's for you, Libra. Let's proceed kay number 2, Libra. For the next 30 days, you will need to focus on your commitments at yung mga pabigat kung bakit hindi mo matuloy-tuloy yun. Maybe you're aiming to get married, pero meron kang younger brother, younger sister na parang hingi pa rin ang hingi sa'yo, hindi ka makapag-focus sa pag-iipon for your wedding. O pwede rin meron kang tatay, uncle, lolo na parang, pero for some reason I'm sensing boss na hindi ka pinapayagang mag-leave, hindi ka hinahayaan na parang mas pinapahirapan ka pa imbis na tulungan ka niya. So you have to focus on the promise na this time you're not going to tolerate them para mas makapag-focus ka sa gusto mong gawin. Now, what do you need to focus on? King of Swords, merong gustong tumulong sa'yo, hindi mo lang inaayaan. Pwedeng, for some reason, I'm sensing an energy of a couple na ikakasal na. Tapos, siguro ito si babae, pero pwede rin ito si lalaki. Na hindi siya matuloy-tuloy sa kasal kasi may obligation pa ako kay Papa. Walang tutulong kay Papa. May kapatid ka. Huwag mong itolerate na hindi yan aambag. And siguro, this is your partner na gustong tulungan ka. O i-home for the aged na lang natin yan. Yung mas malapit para hindi siya para kahit araw-araw tayong bumisita, okay lang. Or pwede ring siguro nag-a-advise na si wala namang kapansanan yung kapatid mo. Lalo yung magdedepende sa'yo kung lagi kang andyan para sumalo. Parang ganun. So, you need to focus on that person's advice, especially if this is your, partner. Parang matinding pagtitimpe ginawa nito. Parang unahin mo naman for once. Kawawa eh. Yan Kasi pag siya pinakinggan mo, maraming potential mo ang ma-showcase. And at the same time, parang for the first time, pag umuo ka dito sa gusto niya, lahat ng atensyon ni King of Swords, pagmamahal, lahat ng even expenses, I don't think i-allow niya na ikaw gumastos, lagi kang may regalo, parang sisiguraduhin niya na ikaw lang ang focus. For the first time in your life, parang ikaw ang ipapamper. Ikaw ang pagbibigyan lagi, ikaw ang masusunod. Huwag mo lang sanang abusuhin. And if you're going to do that, ayun. This is an indication na nagdadalawang isip na siya to move forward with you kung lagi mong pipiliin tong dalawang to. So, there. Make your wise choice, Libra. That's for you. Number 2, let's proceed kay number 3. If you have chosen number 3, 4 of Swords reversed, 8 of Swords reversed, and the Hangman. So, meron kang gustong i-apply na strategy na parang matagal mo nang pinag-iisipan, ganito gagawin ko. Pero parang for the past few years, I'm hearing, hindi mo talaga siya na-apply. And maybe this time, sa next 30 days, you're going to have confidence to actually apply that strategy. Kasi may nakita kang another angle ng situation na hindi mo nakita pa before. So parang make use of the new perspective para ma-pursue mo itong confidence na to, para ma-push mo talaga yung sarili mo to do what you want to do. There will be lesser burdens this time and there will be more choices this time. So kung before masyadong maraming restrictions sa mga gusto mo, maraming umaangal, parang ngayon yan sila, merong pampabigat sa'yo na parang mawawala na, and grab that opportunity. Kasi ang nasisense ko sa'yo, Libra, being a Libra rising myself, pagka merong unburdening na nangyayari, ang gusto natin, relax muna. Tapos, contemplate natin kung paano natin i-apply yung strategy na naisip natin years ago. Ito na nga yun. So, parang grab the opportunity na. Tsaka na yung pahinga pag na-apply mo na yung strategy. And if you're going to do that, ayan, comfort and ease. Okay? So, go for it. Pagka na-feel mo yung surge ng confidence in a spur of the moment, kasi yun nga, mayroong panibagong na-reveal sa'yo, grab that opportunity kesa tamarin ka ulit. I know that kasi I'm a Libra rising. Okay? Anyway, that's for you. Again, for paid personal readings, check the description box below. Nandyan po yung contact details ko.